Need an outdoor makeover? Freshen up your space with the Spring Shop at Hobby Lobby. Make big plans the star of the show. And give little plants a pretty place to grow. Create a soft spot to soak up the sun. Add colors that last all season long. Hang wind chimes that bring music to your ears. And give feathered friends a happy place to land. For more inspiration, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.